Throughout history, comets have been both awe-inspiring and terrifying. To ancient civilizations, these streaks of light across the night sky were seen as omens, messengers from the gods. For many, they signified impending doom, yet others believed they were heralds of great change. Even today, we still watch the night sky, our eyes tracing their fiery trails. But what if, one day, one of these celestial visitors isn't just a fleeting spectacle, but a threat? A massive supercomet, one much larger than any comet we've seen before, approaching our world with destructive intent. Could this be a moment of reckoning, an event that would forever alter the course of human history? Imagine the scene. A supercomet, a colossal object, its icy core so massive that it dwarfs anything we've ever studied. This is no ordinary comet. It's a rogue celestial body, an ancient wanderer from the farthest reaches of our solar system, carrying with it a potential for destruction beyond imagination. Its orbit is set on a collision course, and as it approaches the Sun, its tail stretches out, engulfing the surrounding void. The size of the comet alone could change the very balance of power within our solar system. A body this immense would not only threaten Earth, but its very presence could disrupt the orbits of planets, moons, and smaller bodies, creating shockwaves throughout the solar system. The potential for catastrophe is clear. This is an event that could reframe the future of our world. Comets are ancient relics, the leftover building blocks of our solar system, composed of water, methane, ammonia, and complex organic compounds. They're nature's time capsules, carrying the history of the solar system frozen in time. But while comets are often seen as beautiful, enigmatic visitors, the size and composition of a supercomet present far more than just a visual spectacle. These icy wanderers, when directed toward Earth, could wreak havoc in ways we can scarcely imagine. The energy released by even a near miss could trigger seismic upheavals, violent atmospheric changes, and create conditions hostile to life. In this scenario, Earth would become a battlefield between life as we know it and the cold, indifferent forces of the cosmos. Comets have a profound impact on our planet's history. While the most infamous event in Earth's history is the asteroid that contributed to the extinction of the dinosaurs, comets, too, have left their mark. The Tunguska event of 1908 in Siberia, though likely caused by a comet or asteroid, reminds us of the catastrophic potential these objects carry. But it is not just destruction that comets bring. In their icy cores may lie the building blocks for life itself. Scientists believe that the early comets could have delivered essential ingredients for life to Earth: organic molecules, water, and other compounds that helped catalyze the emergence of life. In a way, comets are both destroyers and creators. They embody the duality of the universe itself, chaos and creation intertwined in a delicate cosmic dance. Out beyond Neptune, in the distant and icy Kuiper Belt, the seeds of disaster are sown. This far-flung region of the solar system is home to ancient comets, asteroids, and icy bodies, remnants of the solar system's formation. Occasionally, a comet from the Kuiper Belt is disturbed by the gravitational pull of massive planets like Jupiter or Saturn, sending it on a trajectory toward the inner solar system. But this is no ordinary comet. This supercomet is an ancient wanderer, hurtling through the cosmos over millennia, only now crossing into our solar system's domain. With every passing moment, its path grows more certain, its arrival inevitable. The comet will soon come within reach of the Sun's gravity, its icy core beginning to heat up and vaporize, forming a spectacular tail. But this will be no simple display of cosmic beauty. This will be a celestial event of unimaginable scale, capable of changing the future of life on Earth. In the face of such a potential threat, humanity's scientific community stands ready. Over the past decades, the study of comets and near-Earth objects has grown exponentially. Space telescopes like Hubble and the newly launched James Webb Space Telescope scour the sky, searching for any signs of danger. Data from these observatories provide critical information, giving us the ability to track, predict, and, in some cases, prepare for a comet's arrival. But even with the most advanced tools, the question remains: how do we respond to a threat of this magnitude? Our ability to divert or mitigate the impact of a supercomet is still a work in progress. Scientists have proposed a variety of methods, from kinetic impactors that could push the comet off course to nuclear detonations designed to alter its trajectory. The work is ongoing, but it's a reminder that time is of the essence. The future of Earth could depend on the actions we take today. Imagine a world where we don't just react to a threat, but where humanity takes the initiative to prevent disaster. With enough warning, we could mount a mission to intercept the supercomet, utilizing advanced propulsion systems and cutting-edge technology. What if we could send a spacecraft ahead of the comet, using its own gravitational pull to alter its course? Or deploy nuclear technology, not to destroy the comet, but to gently nudge it away from Earth's path? The possibility of altering the fate of an entire world rests in the hands of those scientists and engineers working tirelessly to safeguard our future. But the question remains: will we be able to act in time? Can we make the right decisions under pressure to save our planet? Yet, there is another side to the story, one that offers hope. The very supercomet that could threaten Earth could also be the key to our future beyond the confines of this planet. The resources contained within the comet, its water, metals, and organic compounds, could provide the essential ingredients for long-term survival in space. Picture this: human colonies established on the Moon, Mars, or even farther out, living sustainably by harvesting the resources from comets like the supercomet. We could use these icy bodies to provide water and fuel for future space missions, creating the infrastructure needed to expand humanity's reach into the stars. Perhaps, in time, the supercomet will not just be a harbinger of doom, but a gateway, a catalyst for the survival and expansion of human civilization. Humanity's journey to the stars is more than just a dream. It is our destiny, and it is a destiny shaped by the very forces we often fear. The supercomet, in all its terrifying beauty, challenges us to grow, to adapt, and to rise above the limits of our current understanding. If we can harness the power of comets, learn to live with the cosmos rather than fear it, we could build a future that stretches across the stars. A future where Earth is no longer our only home, but one of many, each shaped by our ingenuity, courage, and will to survive. In the end, the supercomet reminds us of the fragility of our existence, but it also reminds us of our greatest strength, the ability to change, to adapt, and to shape the course of our future. It is not the challenges we face that define us, but how we rise to meet them. Whether as a threat or as an opportunity, the supercomet stands as a symbol of the universe's infinite possibilities. It is a reminder that, in the vastness of space, the most important thing we can do is to reach beyond the stars. And in doing so, to ensure the future of all humanity.